was this? I just heard thunder. This is what's hitting me. You see, the thing is, if I go in to my weather again, and look at this, it's 33. It's like hailing, kind of. Yeah, you hear that? I thought it was a motorcycle. Yeah, that was lightning, what? Well, I don't want my door to fall down. I hope it does. It's nice and forward. Very strange. Never heard lightning when it was this cold. Never heard thunder when it was this cold. Alright, I don't know if I'm going to be able to capture it on here. But it's definitely lightning out here. Comes the wind. Oh, hope I don't fuck up my camera. Yeah, it's hailing. That's what it feels like. Is that from the wind or thunder? I'm gonna move my hand away. Maybe it's blocking the sounds. I'm not sure. Ooh. I caught that. Awesome. Alright. Oh, there's thunder. I'm happy I caught this. I want to get my GoPro now so I can record this and not fear of breaking it. Anything. Step over here. Oh, that's where the wind's coming from. Can't even hear me though. I better have caught that. As soon as I stop my GoPro, a big flash. I saw some. Don't think it captured on the camera. The rain's coming down in sheets. Starting to hit this. I think. Oh yeah, I felt it hit. Oh. Hopefully no trees fall in my house. Here comes the wind. It's coming from right there. As I previously said, I forgot I said that. The wind's picking up. Yep, that was a big flash. Wow, that's quite a ways away. Here comes the thunder. Right about now. close enough. Here it comes with, whoo, that's scary. Yeah, that's scary. Oh shit. I heard the wind before it even, here's the thunder. Yeah, that's like, nah, it can't be that far away. That would be like 10 miles away. Ooh. Wow. My battery's not gonna last me long enough. I have to get my phone pretty soon. Hopefully I can piece these clips together. It's moving behind me. The thunder. Oh, there's more. Off. Ooh. Yeah. Maybe it's from over there, because that's where I heard it move to. I think I'm gonna move inside for the rest, so I don't destroy this. Gotten good enough shots for now, so yeah, just gonna move inside.